Hi guys, today I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024. Okay, so I have already pre-installed Microsoft Office 2021. This is my existing version. So let me uninstall this version and install the latest 2024 version. Okay, first you go to Control Panel and go to Programs and Features and select your old version, 2021 version. Click uninstall and uninstall. So it will take some time to get uninstalled. Once the uninstallation is finished, make sure you need to restart your PC. That is mandatory. If you don't restart, you will face many errors. So to avoid these errors, to minimize the errors, make sure you have a restart. Okay, the uninstallation is done. Then let's restart our PC. I will restart the PC and we'll come back. Okay, restart is done. Now the old version is uninstalled. Now you have to open your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and make sure you visit this website. I'll put the link below in my description area. Okay, this is directly from Microsoft, not from any third party person. This is directly Microsoft. We are going to download the configuration file to download the Microsoft Office 2024. Okay, so you can hear we have these few steps to complete. Very easy. First one, protect and see releases. Which architecture do you want to deploy? So you have to check this one need to match with your PC. If you go to about of your PC, here you can see I have Windows 10 Pro 1703. This is 2017 version, very older than 5 years old. So I'm going to install 2024 on Microsoft Windows 10 Pro 2017 version. Okay, so if you have new version is better. So my system type is 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, you have to get the 32-bit version of Microsoft Office. If you have 64-bit, you need to take 64-bit. So it's pre-selected. I select all the 64-bit. So what is this Office Suite? Which version you want? I want Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Okay, so do you want VCO? I don't want. Do you want project? I don't want. If you want, of course you can select. Okay, additional products, no need. So select the upgrade channel, only one option, so I'll select this one. What version you want? Latest version, yes. If you want older version, you can select here any other. I need latest, I choose here. So what application I need? I need Access, Excel, Skype for Business. If you need, you can on this one. If you don't want, you can off. I don't want OneDrive, so I off this one. If you need, you can on. I don't want OneNote. I need Outlook. I need PowerPoint. I don't want Publisher. I need Word. So what I need, I selected. If you don't want, you can do same thing. So go to next. So it will bring the language. What language you want? I need English, United States. If you need other language, of course you can select as you want. If you need extra languages, you can select here. If you don't want, you can move. Here you don't want to do anything, just next. Here nothing to do, just next. Okay, here nothing to do, just next. Here nothing to do, just next. So everything here done. So just click finish. So whatever you did customization, you will see here everything. So just click export. Now only export. Okay, when you click export, you get default file format. Here you can select Office Open XML formats. Okay, this is second option, only that one. Just okay, and here accept terms and license agreement. File name, keep it, do not change. There's no sense to change this file name, just keep it as it is. Okay, if you want, of course, but no use to change this one, just keep it as it is. Export. Once you did, just it will download. Okay, so you will find this web link in my description area. You have to download Office deployment tool. This is from the Microsoft, so you don't want to worry. We are not downloading any additional apps which from other website. This is direct from Microsoft, genuine and clean, virus free. So just download this one. It will download. Yeah, it got downloaded. So open the download folder. just open it. Okay, so you will see these two, this XML file and the exe on the downloaded folder. I will just move these two files to desktop. Okay, so it's very easy. I will close this website. This is a file. What you got to do now, you need to make a small folder here. Just make a name. This is just a temporary folder, so this is not permanent. Just drag and drop these two files inside. Okay, now what you do, you have to double click this exe, then click this checkbox, click here to accept terms and condition. Next. So here you have to select the folder where you want to extract these files. There are two more files need to be extract, so you just select the folder which we make right now and click OK. So from this exe it will extract two file, this setup and this configuration file. That's it. Okay, so what you do next you have to run few commands. It's very easy. Before you run the commands, you open your CMD prompt. Okay, just type CMD and open the CMD prompt and run as an administrator. This is mandatory, you have to run as an administrator, and copy the folder path, okay, of these files where available. Copy this one and write CD in your command prompt, space, paste this file path and press enter. So once you did, the CMD command will go into this folder. Okay, now what you do, I'll put this all the command in my description area, you can get it. First thing, you have to copy this command as it is, do not change, do not do anything. Okay, copy this one and paste here. Otherwise you can double click this exe file, setup.exe. also you can do same thing. This is also same. I believe this is recommended way, so do this way and just press enter. So once you press enter, the Microsoft Office will start to install as per your configuration. Okay, what you configured, it will install, it will download from the Microsoft and it will install. So this will take time, depend on your internet speed, so you have to wait for a while. Okay, installation is done. Our new Office 2024. I'll click close. Now I don't want this one. If you want, you can delete this folder, no problem. Okay, and let me open my Word and see it. Now if you open, you will see, now still you can see your Microsoft Office LTSC Professional 2021. This is your old license. Okay, if you click this additional one, you will see a new. So even you uninstall your old version, the license is still there. You have to uninstall the license as well, but don't worry, your new version has been installed. So let's remove the license and activate your new Office. Okay, so what you do, you have to open new CMD, run as an administrator. Okay, and go to this PC and go to C drive, go to programs file. Okay, in the programs file you will see these two folders. Okay, in this folder you have to go to Microsoft Office, not Microsoft Office 15. If you go there, you get nothing, only these two. So you have to go to Microsoft Office and Office 16. Maybe in your case, maybe you will get 15. Don't worry, somehow this one you have to open and you should see these kind of 5 files. Okay, so open it and copy this path here, copy the path and come here to CMD CD space and paste here and press enter. Once you did, the CMD will go inside this folder. Okay, that's the purpose. Now you need to run these commands. Okay, first command, you can check this one. If you want to run, you can run, otherwise you can skip. This will check the status of your Microsoft Office. So you copy this one, paste here. Sorry, you need to run this one, this is mandatory to run. And once you did, okay, this command will get all the license information details of your Microsoft Office. You can see here right now I have two licenses. The first one is the new one, which is installed 2024, and second one my old one, Office 2021. Okay, so I need to remove this old license. Okay, so here you can see here last 5 characters of install product key. You need to get this key, okay, and replace with this one. I mean, I will put in my comments description area without this key or with this key. Okay, you need to delete that one. Don't run with my key, you have to put your own key. Okay, it is 6 here. You can see here your own key 6 F7TH. Okay, try to copy paste, do not watch and write, maybe, because if you miss some spaces this will not work. There are spaces in between cscript, there's space between .vbs and the slash space, so maybe if you miss this one space your command will not work. So that's the purpose I'm telling, copy and paste. And copy this one, I replace this key, only this last 5 digits. Okay, do not change anything here. I just copy this one and paste here. Sorry, what will happen, this command will uninstall this license. That's it. Okay, this will uninstall your license, the old license, this key license. If you put this one, don't put the new which is install new one. Okay, this will uninstall. That's why make sure you are inside Office 2021 and this key. Okay, just hit enter. Once you hit enter, sorry, so you can see here product key uninstalled successful. That's it, that is uninstalled. Now what we do, we need to activate our new Office 2024. Okay, this is the Office. You need to just copy this command as it is, do not change, paste here, copy and paste here, press enter, successfully applied, and last command. Okay, now your Office has been installed and licensed. So this is official, guys. There's no any illegal thing. This is directly from Microsoft, and we did not run any extra application. And you can open and check your Word. It is activated.